To imagine is to design our own world, to reach beyond what we can see and touch, to dream of things that don't exist and then build them through craft, skill and collaboration. To imagine is having the courage to be bold and innovative. It's asking the difficult questions, knowing that each wrong answer brings you closer to the right one. Ambition, care, family. These are the qualities that ignite our imaginations. They drive us to go beyond what is easy or expected. They take us to a place where we can pause. Something created by our hands, our heads, our hearts. Just imagine.